Good evening, guys. It is MGBL back at you with another video. Now, things have been crazy lately. You know, I'm in school, so I just finished my exam. Now I gotta shoot this video, and a lot of stuff's going on. But today, we will be unboxing a MacBook Pro mid 2012. So if you guys been keeping up with my channel, this was the first video I ever made about unboxing one of these. So this is the second one I got because a friend of mine wants me to do a project for him on it. So I took the case because, you know, I love tech and I love playing around with it. So essentially, what we will be doing is unboxing this, and I will run down the specs and the upgrades that are going to be done to this. So let's unbox this. Remember what that says? Fragile. Anyways, let's get this out. Now, if this is anything like my previous unboxings, it's probably going to be wrapped to the nines. But hopefully this guy didn't wrap it up too much, because I hate wrapping, excessive wrapping, because it's pointless. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this one's a bit different. The guy decides to use Amazon? Okay, so this guy basically took Amazon paper, chopped it up, and put it in here. So I'm like, okay, that's fine. Let's get this stuff out of here. I'll throw it out. But yeah, much easier to unbox than the last one. What's this? Oh, interesting. Oh my god, this looks brand new. Look at that. So this is the brick. It's a 68 watt, I believe. This is in way better condition than my other one. My other one looks like a dog chewed on it. Like, ugh. But yeah, this looks good. I might actually just use this charger. But anyways, that's the charger right here. It looks brand new. So put that off to the side. And this one does not seem it's wrapped too badly. Again, more Amazon paper. Pretty comical. But yeah. Okay, this one's not wrapped too bad. So there it is. Let's get this box out of here. Okay. Before I do that, is there anything else important here? Nope. Okay. Well, get this stuff out of here. All right. Here's the MacBook. Now, let's see how this was wrapped. I believe that... Oh my, look how easy that is. I don't even need my knife. See, this is how I like it. Nice and easy. Not when it's wrapped like 20 times and then I gotta use my knife and blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's get this open. Look at that. Okay, mint. All right. Now, the guy said it's a bit used. Obviously, it's over 10 years old, so don't expect much. So yeah, that is the MacBook. 2012. And yeah, so basically what this came with from the factory was a 500 gigabyte hard disk drive, the spinning one, and 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is actually still in here today. But we're obviously going to change that. But what I liked about these MacBooks was, first one, this is the glowing logo. And second, if you guys can see, this has a disc player. Check that out. So, check that out. Like a disc player. And you have all the ports. Now let's go through them. MagSafe 1, Ethernet, Firewire 800, Thunderbolt 1, 2 USB 2.0, and an SD card slot. And you got your jack here for headphone. And that's your battery indicator. And here is... here's a standby thing when it's on. Now, I don't know if this boots, but we're just doing an unboxing. But I am very happy with how it looks, how it feels. Might be in better condition than the first one I got, but I'm not too sure. Anyways, look at that. So that is the MacBook. Really good condition. Oh my goodness. This is rocking an Intel Core 2 Dual Ivy Bridge processor. It's a dual core. But you would be surprised how good this thing performs when it's like fully to the nines. Max SSD, you put 16 gigs of RAM, brand new battery, which I'm still waiting on. But just to give you an idea, I got this. This is 2 8 gigabyte DDR3 1600 memory sticks. As you can see, this is made for the Mac. I used this previously in my other Mac. So it's pretty cool, to be honest. And obviously I got a smaller version of the hard drive. This is a 500 gigabyte SSD. My other one has 1 terabyte. And yeah, I'm going to be putting these in the laptop. And obviously I got my toolkit here. By the time of this release of this video, I will have uploaded my 3-part series about upgrading the MacBook, what parts. I go more in depth of what you need to upgrade these things, because this was the last upgradable Mac like this. you can say that the 2016, 2017 non-touch bar were upgradable with the SSD, but I don't really count that because with this one, I can upgrade the RAM, can upgrade the battery, like whatever you want, and you can put the SSD. So that's going to be pretty cool. I mean, should I try booting this up? Maybe. Maybe I'll save it for another video. But yeah, that's basically this MacBook. Now, this is another project I got to do this weekend. I've just been busy, honestly, but I just want to go in depth of what we're going to be doing with this one. This is my second MacBook already. Oh my goodness. It's like deja vu anymore. I kind of want to keep making these videos because it's so cool. But ever since I started my YouTube channel, it's been video after video. I just have a lot of content to make. And I still have to unbox some of this stuff. Like, look at this. I still haven't even touched this. There's so much to do. And honestly, I just never have the time. But, you know, the video's got to get produced. And I got to give it out. So this will be uploaded soon. But I'm waiting on a battery. Because I don't care. If you're going to open that thing, you might as well just upgrade the battery, the SSD, and the RAM. Because it's not going to function properly without it, I think. It'll still work, but don't keep your hopes up on it. But anyways, guys, that's the unboxing of the MacBook. This was a really good generation. This and the 2015 model. Just the fact that it had all these ports, you know, even the Ethernet, which I don't know why Apple didn't put this in the new ones. The 2021 MacBooks come with it. I'm going to do a review on that. I have a 16-inch M1 Max Pro to do here, but that's another video. But I just miss having all these ports and just really the sturdy design. I miss it so much. This was prime Apple like days. Now they're like soldering everything on the motherboard. They're doing all integration with the RAM, the processor. Yeah, they're getting more powerful, but we can't upgrade them. You got to literally pay money, and that's what you get. You can't do nothing otherwise, and I don't really like the fact about that, which is why these still have a decent resale value because, you know, people want to upgrade their Macs, and, you know, it's an honest business you've been doing. If you're going to do this for a bit, you know, until Intel is dropped for support, because this is an Intel processor at the end of the day. It's over 10 years old, so don't expect performance like an M1 chip, but if you upgrade this with 16 gigabytes of RAM, you put Windows 11, you put the latest Mac, I guarantee you will see a big difference in performance, and it won't even bother you. The only thing I'm going to complain about this is the screen. I do not like the screen at all. I prefer a Retina display, but honestly, what this thing gives me, portability, sturdy design, the keyboard. Actually, let's flip that open. Look at that. This was the best keyboard. I don't care. Look at that. The best keyboard ever. Like, look at the motion. Like, oh my God. Just check that out. Seriously. Like, prime Apple. You can hear that clickiness, right? Yeah, this is like prime Apple. Does this even turn on? Okay, turned on apparently. Huh, interesting. Yeah, see, it's booting up pretty good. Don't worry about it too much. But anyways, guys, that wraps up my unboxing for this MacBook. I will have the upgrade video following along with it. And I will also have my 3-part series, which I will link in the video. You guys can watch it. I go more in depth about what to do, what to upgrade. But this is just a general look at the MacBook and what I'm going to do to it. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I thank you for the constant support. I hope to get more subscribers by next year because in 2024, I'm coming back with a vengeance. And I'm going to try to get as many subscribers as I can, produce the best content, and just become... Oh. Anyways. Anyways, guys, slight hiccup there. Let's turn this off. We don't need to hear that. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot for the support. Have a good one, and stay tuned.